8 people have been confirmed dead and at least 72 people are missing after terrifying flash floods devastated a town in the Australian state of Queensland.
The situation deteriorated very sharply, and it started with that flash flooding in Toowoomba.
Perhaps best be described as an inland instant tsunami.
Water as high as 7 or 8 metres or more. People, cars, and even houses with them. Whole houses have been moved down there.
It'll be worse than 1974.
I wonder if there's something more. Something
The Brisbane River has broken its banks.
It's gonna rain like this for days. So let it wash everything away. I hope that tomorrow the sun will shine. With every tomorrow comes another life. I feel it's gonna rain.
It's worst flooding in half a century.
For days and days. I feel it's gonna rain. I tried to figure out, I can understand what it means to be whole again.
Thousands of residents affected.
Trapped between the truth and the consequence. Nothing's real, nothing's big and sad.
A complete freak of nature.
1,000 times before. I wonder if there's something more. Something
The true test of Queenslanders.
feel it's gonna rain like this for days. So let it rain down and wash everything away. I hope that tomorrow the sun will shine. I feel it's gonna rain like this. Rain like this. Rain like this.
Ghost town.
Wash away my yesterdays. Fall down. Wash away my yesterdays. Fall down. So let the rain fall down on me.
A scene of utter devastation.
It's gonna rain.
Unfortunately, we have seen the death toll rise again from 9 to
The
10.
death toll has been confirmed at 10.
12 have been confirmed dead. 51 people are still missing. Take the death toll in this event to 13 people.
These numbers are going to fluctuate.
And a flood warning has been issued for more than 30 Brisbane suburbs.
54 Brisbane suburbs have been inundated.
1,500 Queenslanders evacuated.
127,000 residents in Queensland are without power.
The total clean-up cost right now is unimaginable.
Aussies are pulling together.
To reach out to each other.
A sense of horror and awe about the power of the river.
I feel it's gonna rain.
I said earlier this week that this weather may break our hearts, and it is doing that, but it will not break our will.